a great way to close will be putting this in like a scenario and us just having to go off the dome and try and respond back to watching America in Igbo.
Chineke.
So watching America. Do you have anything in mind? You ready? Got a scenario you want to hit us with?
Okay, so that's like using everything we've learned today, right?
Any and everything we
most of it.
Igbo, yeah.
All right. So now, let's say I'm your Igbo uncle, right? And I come in and I want to know how to speak, right? So now we're gonna have a full Igbo conversation using those simple survival phrases that we learned today, right? Now, mind you, I don't understand English, so I'm your uncle now. Coming, I just visited you guys for the first time. I'm asking you everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Are you ready? Let's have a conversation now. Right?
Okay.
So I've just opened the door and I've entered. What's the first thing you say to me?
No.
No.
No, one. No. No. Keki man.
Adamuma.
Adamuma. Giwa kwano.
Adamuma no. No, Adamuma. Ke maka ụlọ akwụkwọ gị?
Ọ dị mma, ọ na-agakwa.
Chizi.
Yes.
What happened to your ụlọ akwụkwọ? You did not answer that one.
Oh, sorry. Wait. Ụlọ akwụkwọ ọ na-aga ọfụma.
Oh, okay.
Perfect. Correct. Chizi, ahụ dịkwa gị?
Oh, wait. wait. Whoa. Threw me for a loop. Hold on. Say that again. Sorry.
You got this.
Why Biko?
Good. You see, we're getting somewhere. I like this. Okay. Chizi, ahụ dịkwa gị?
Ahụ dị mma.
That's good. That's impressive. Ahụ dị mma, anyị na-agbalị. Ifunanya.
Yes.
Ke maka podcast gị?
Ọ dị mma. Ke maka nwunye gị?
Nwunye m. Amadị m nyere m nwunye, mana the imaginary nwunye dị mma.
Echem ịlọ la Nkechi.
Oh, that's so. Ilola Nkechi, Igwadim.
Biko, disclaimer, alubem word. I'm as single as a dollar.
So you
a dollar note.
Spoil market, Abby. You don't want us to come and spoil your market. Is that so? So
No, please don't spoil my market. I'm
not going to spoil markets, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ke maka nne na nna gị?
Inekom. Oh, ha dị mma.
Adama, check you out with your pronouns, okay?
Listen.
I like that. That was good.
Yeah, but if someone didn't know to say that, what would you say? Because I didn't know what else to say.
Oh, you can say nne na nna m dị mma.
Nne na nna m dị mma.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
The final question will be, kedu ihe na-eme ugbu a?
Oh.
Ana m akwu n'Igbo with Nanya and watching it.
Good job.
Alamia?
You went there.
Thank you.
Yeah, Chizi, you really do have some Igbo skills. That's wonderful.
I really made it a point this year to just really try and learn because it's embarrassing not to know at this point.
No,
That is really good.
Thank you.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
definitely. We survived the freestyle scenario, so that's awesome. I just want to thank you both so much for your time. This was a lot of fun, and I appreciate it.
And I just had a really good time, and this was actually really, really nice and really fun. I feel like seeing the Igbo on paper helped a lot.
Definitely.
Yeah. And keep it up, Jashika.
Oh, thank you.